I can hear the waves. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. Excellent spot! It says right here on the map that it is actually a dangerous swimming area, which in fact makes me a bit excited. The waves are quite strong. The sand is very grainy and fine. Hello! Say hello to my vlog. YouTube. Bye, hello. Friend. I can see you doing some tracking right here with this, huh? you're a proper tracker.
Tomorrow we'll go in Italy.
Tomorrow Italy?
Yeah, holidays finished.
And since when are you here on this beach? Morning?
See all the day.
All the day?
6 o'clock.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope it doesn't rain, yeah. Thank you, it's been a pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Bye. What a sweet Italian family. Lovely people. Stumbling inside the water like a roller coaster, like I was a children's toy. I couldn't help it. It was impossible for me to do anything. I was just at the mercy of the waves. I cannot hear well on this side. I think it's full of water and I cannot get it out. Let's go for a field trip. All right, the hidden gem of Seychelles. Don't fall, Alex, don't fall. Ah, it's the rocks are warm, are hot, in fact. Alright, if I fall, I'll break this camera as well. Wow! Look at all these crabs. The crabs are definitely more afraid of me. This kind of stuff, they really hurt, and they're all over the place, and I'm barefoot. What kind of animals there in Seychelles? I haven't even made the research about it. What if I find some dangerous, spooky something? Nature, baby! I hope I didn't forget anything and I didn't step on any of the crabs. We're gonna continue our journey towards the northern part of Mehe Island. What? It's self-catering, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, Beau Vallon beach right here. We made it and it's full of people, so it's not like in the south. Here in the north is actually full of people. All the big hotel chains, they have hotels here around, so no wonder. There's a lot of food, a lot of movement, a lot of dynamics. No way I actually find the sun, but it's gonna have a workout here. I have slept a bit on the beach and it's close to sunset soon. We're gonna see the sunset from here. It'll be awesome. All right, let's go and test the water, shall we? So the water here is perfect. There are no waves. It's very smooth. It's very crystal clear. I think that's one of the reasons that so many people like to spend their holidays in Seychelles over here. Hello, little fella. How are you doing? Right now I'm gonna end my day with a beach workout, as I promised. Ladies and gents, I met a very important person in Seychelles. I didn't think this is possible. This is a PS to my video, to my vlog. I met Hong, which I actually have just been to Colombo in my layover. So she's here in Seychelles and we didn't plan to see each other. I just asked randomly. I asked her to take a picture and here we are. We actually met. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Like, how is this possible? Just to meet your crew in Seychelles on a whole
on one of the
country, island, whatever it is. Yeah. Well, I'm very glad I met you. This is how we end the video. Say goodbye to all our subscribers and viewers.
Bye bye.
This is a Chinese bye bye. Right?